Hello guys, so some people reach out to me and they told me that they are having a time adding their shipping address to their 1688 and everything. And so I was like, okay, well, let me make a video about it. So now, without wasting much of your time, let's just go to Chrome right here. So should we use Sky Cargo? No, let's use Skyjet. So for people that don't know what Sky Cargo and Skyjet means, so they are shipping companies. So what they'll do is that they will help you to ship your goods from China down to Nigeria. So I use two shipping company mainly. So one is Skyjet and one is Sky Cargo. So we are going to be adding it together, guys. So now the next thing is, let me go back. So the next thing is, you should click right here. You see this user center, so just click on it. So for people that don't know about Skyjet, guys, so after that, the next thing is just click on no account and register. So you input your information and everything. So me, I already have an account. Let me just log in, guys. So let me log in. So now let's go to view my personal information. So one thing I love about Skyjet is that you can see here they do updates each other, like they update us every single day. Not even every single day, but anytime there's like an increment in price and everything, you'll be seeing the news right here, guys. So that's just it. So the main thing, let's just don't forget what we came here to do, which is to add our address to our 1688, guys. So I assume that everybody that is watching this video have a 1688 address. So the next thing is you should click on this section right here which says China warehouse address. So now let's click on it. Guys. So good, very good. So as you can see right here, there are two shipping warehouse address here. One is air cargo warehouse, you can see, and one is sea cargo warehouse. So you can just click on everything, like any one of these. Let's just say if you are using shipping your goods through air, you copy your air cargo address because you cannot ship to sea. But if you are using sea, if you want to ship your goods through sea, then you copy sea address. So it is very easy. If you want to ship your goods through air, copy air address. If you want to ship through sea, copy sea address. Very simple, guys. So for this example, let's just use air. So copied address, as you can see here, it is copied. So just click on this copy right here instead of you trying to copy everything. So I won't advise you to copy, to manually copy. Just click here, it will automatically copy the address for you. So now that we are done with that, the next thing is let's go to our 1688. So this is our 1688, guys. So for people that don't know what 1688 look like, so this is how 1688 look like, guys. And if you want to create an account, you don't know how to register an account, I've made a videos about it, guys. Just go to my channel and then you will find how to create a 1688 account. So the next thing right here is just go to this me section. Let me highlight it. Go to this me section. Yours might actually not be in English, but some people their account might be in English, but their account might not be in English. It is because 1688 have upgraded a lot since when they find out that a lot of people that are buying from their app are actually not Chinese people, guys. So people buy outside the country, so that's why they are trying to accommodate everybody, both the Chinese and the non-Chinese guys. So that's just it. So after that, the next thing is click on this setting right here, guys. So guys, don't do any mistake. So let me show you something. As you can see, I already have an account. If you don't have any account, so it won't show you this your username and everything. So I have an account, so that's why you can see my username right here. So the next thing, like I said, is click on the setting, guys. So now let's click on the setting. So now that we are here, so you see this section right here. Let me highlight it. You see this section, address management, then click on it. Now it's loading. Let's wait a bit. So this thing is very straightforward, guys. So I don't know why some people are having a time to add their address, but I guess well, everybody are just different. So as you can see here, I have a lot of addresses here because I do procurement. So that's just, I forgot to delete some of these. So the next thing now is click on new receiving address. So just click on new receiving address. It's loading. So good. So there are two methods to fill your address. So one thing is you can be filling it like manually. You see this address right here, you input it manually. You see this name, input it manually. Phone number, input it manually. Zip code, input it manually. I would advise you to not go through that route, because like if you go through that route, you might have, you might make a mistake. In fact, like you will definitely make a mistake. So I won't advise you to do that. So the second method is actually to autofill it. So as you can see here, this is in English, so it just might not be in English. That's why you are seeing this, guys, because like it just might not be in English. So mine is in English. So as you can see here, you see this section right here, just like copy the address and paste it here, and then autofill. So let's do it together, guys. So I already copied the address already, so let's paste it. So this is the address that I copied from SkyJet, guys. So the next thing now for us to do is just click on this autofilling. So if you click on autofilling, you see everything fixed each other. So let me just show you. So as you can see here, the address and everything, you see the name. Let me move this. Wait. So okay, that's good now. So you see here the name, the address, you see this phone number. I want to show you something right here. How will I move this? Okay, good. So you see this, let's do it one more time, guys. So you see this name, you see this phone number, zip code and everything. You can see this phone number. You can see that it is this phone number that is right here that is input here. You will not put your Nigeria phone number here. So this is where I noticed that a lot of people made a mistake, guys. They'll put their Nigeria phone number here. No, you will not put your Nigeria phone number here. What you need to do is put the number assigned to you by SkyJet, and if you use like another shipping company, they will definitely give you a number. So it is that phone number that you will input here. Yes, so it is that phone number that you input here, not your Nigerian phone number. So after you input the phone number and everything, so the next thing is just click on save. So no, let's go back, guys. Let's go back. Sorry, let's go to manage. You see this manage, click on manage. So where's the account? So this is, so let's click on edit. So if yours is not in English, just translate, and then you just find it easy, guys. So just translate, guys, anything you don't understand. So after you have everything, okay, I think this is not the address. Yes, this is not the address, guys. So this is not the address. I think this is the address right here. Yes, good. Let's wait for it to load, so it doesn't take a while, it doesn't take long. So good. So now that we are here, everything is filled and everything, the next thing is, you see this set as default. Make sure you click on it, then click on it, just check it like this. As you can see, it turns like orange. So if it doesn't turn orange, if it is like this, that means if you still ship it, if you haven't had any address, then there is no address there. But if you check it, it has gone like this, then that means any goods you buy, it will be shipped to this address. So that just need, make sure you add it as set as default set address, which means any goods you buy will be shipped to this address. So straight up. So that's just, as you can see how easy it is, guys. It is not something complicated. So let me just click on complete here. So as you can see here, if you notice this little thing right here, it means default. It was, I think, on this account before, but now it is here, which means any goods I buy, it will be shipped directly to this address. It was here before because this is the last person I helped for procurement job, guys, and you understand, I set our address as default. So now that this is my own address, so I already set my address back as default, guys. So that's just what it means. So that's just it, and you can see that it's not something complicated. So let's try it on Pinduoduo too. So you just go through almost same process, guys. So it is not something complicated at all. So now let's go to Pinduoduo, like I said. So the next thing now is, when you're here, wait a bit. So when you're here, just click on this section right here, guys. So if you don't know how to create a Pinduoduo account, so just go to my channel, you'll see like a video about it. So Pinduoduo 2 is just like 1688, so that's just it. It's not something like complicated. So I love buying a lot on Pinduoduo because like Pinduoduo, there's no like scam. You can't get scam on Pinduoduo, but on 1688 you have to look well. So you see this section right here that I highlight right here, so just click on it. So wait, let's click on it. So this is where we will find our address, guys. So good, as you can see here, these are a lot of address that I have. Like I said, I do procurement, guys. So, and as you can see here, some of these things are also in English. Like I said, like China are trying to accommodate everybody. As you can see here, this address is set as default. So let's go to this section right here. So you just go down and then click on here. So let's click on it. Let's click on it. So it is like just same thing. So one thing about like Pinduoduo is that it is very good. So you see, like I already have something copied. So what this thing says is that like it told me that I have an address copied already, so it just automatically fill it in for me. So that's why you see everything filling already. But like if it just doesn't do this, just like screenshot and go to like Google to know more about what it's talking about. So let me just do an example for you guys. So let me screenshot, guys. So you see that this green stuff, let me highlight it. You see that this green stuff right here, let's go. Okay, good. You see that this thing right here, it says that this like the address copied on anything. That do you want to set it, like do you want to paste it, something like that, guys. So that's just what it says. So let's just click on this section right here first to add the address, so which is this section. Let's click on it. So just click on it. So that means the address is added already, as you can see here. So now let's go to, I want to show you something. Where is it? So this Google right here. So let's go to Google. Let's go to Google. You see this section right here, this section, click on it. So for people that don't have this Google, you need to have it on your phone, guys, because it is very important, very important. So let's click on it. So now let's click on translate. So with the bit, it will translate now. You can see here, what do you see here? I told you, so I've been doing this thing for a long period of time, so I know about everything. So as you can see here, yes, it's delivery information dictated save, which means like what you copied, it is an address. So 1686 is as an address, so that's why you can see here phone number, everything is inputted. So you see this consign name, you can just input like this, your like what's it called, this 54232, you can just input it here, or you can just put like this is your 5432 and your phone number that you used to create your Skyjet account. So just input it here and that's all, guys. So instead of it having this number, it will have like 54232, which is my own, like my own specific number issued to me by Skyjet, because it is this number they will use to identify my goods if my goods get to their warehouse. So it is very easy, they input it here and that's all. So now let's go back and go and do that. You know, we just save the address like that. So let's just go and edit the address and just input it, guys. So where is it? Where is the address we added last? I think this is it right here, this down here. Just click on edit. See here, just cancel and then input it 52323. That's it. Sometimes you might even add your phone number if it's like, no, this is just okay. This is just okay, guys. So just click on okay and that's all, guys. So anytime you buy your goods from like on Pinduoduo, so it will be shipped to this address. If you set it as default, it is that easy. So as you can see here, this is one of my address, guys. So this is like my address Google that I added before. You can see here Pavel trade 54232, like the number and everything. So that's just it, guys. So it is very simple. This thing is not complicated. So let me just delete this because I already have it before. I don't think I can delete it, but that's just it, guys. So you can see it's not something complicated, guys. Just follow this process I lay down, and then you will see that you will get it in no time. So if you have any question or you still don't get it, just drop it in the comment section, guys, and I'll gladly help you out. So thank you for watching, and if you are still watching, of course make sure you subscribe, guys. If you have learned one or two from this video, make sure you subscribe and like this video. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.